Do you know the top 7 indoor plants that purify the air? But before that, this is Jash from Health App. If you want to know more latest health facts and tips like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Experts talk about which plants are able to purify the air in the house. The plants in the house have not only an aesthetic purpose. Flowers are able to purify the air in the house, collect dust and harmful compounds as well. Number 1. Dracaena can absorb toxic fumes. Doctors recommend keeping such indoor plants after repairs, as Dracaena will help get rid of the airborne fumes of paints, wallpaper and glues, etc. Number 2. Cactus protects against harmful radiation from household appliances. The plant takes an electromagnetic radiation and neutralizes its effect. Number 3. Geranium can be called a home doctor. The patient contains essential oils which, spreading throughout the room, have a beneficial effect on the body, helping to reduce stress level. The healing properties of the plant also improve sleep, which is why doctors recommend putting it in the bedroom. Number 4. Ficus can be called an air purification station. The plant disinfects air, cleansing it from viruses and bacteria. In addition, ficus calms the nervous system and normalizes blood pressure. Number 5. Aglow Nema. This is a beautiful shrub with long or heart-shaped leaves, white stand shade that makes air cool. In favorable conditions, it can produce red berries. The flower kills streptococcus, neutralizes benzene and formaldehyde. The presence of this plant in apartment helps to refresh and purify the air. Number 6. Climbing ivy. This indoor plant is suitable for growth in room conditions and low light. Looks beautiful in hanging flower pots, ideal for cleaning smoking rooms. In addition, ivy removes carbon monoxide, fungal spores and benzene from the air. Number 7. Chlorophyta. This is a beautiful plant with narrow long leaves. It is very unpretentious. It can grow even in a shaded place, does not require nutritious soil and abundant watering. Chlorophytum is a champion among green air purifiers. It neutralizes most harmful compounds, and it also able to fight against pathogenic microorganisms. So, here are the best top 7 air purifying indoor plants that you should definitely keep in your house. Be healthy, be happy always. Remember to stay tuned with this channel. See you later and thanks for watching.